Question number 1. You have given a heap in the figure given below. There is a representation of array where all elements of heap are sorted in order as discussed in the class. Yesterday I have told you the detailed array representation of heap. You have to apply heap sort algorithm and find the sorted array. So in this question, you have to apply the heap sort algorithm. So just look at the given heap. So when you take a look at this heap, you can find that there are, how many elements are there? There are total 9 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So starting from 2 to 25, there are total 9 elements and their representations are shown in the array diagram starting with index 0, and the same representation is displayed at each node. Like node 2 is stored at index 0 and that is represented by the symbol I equal to 0. It means at the 0th index 2 is stored, and the left child of 2 is 3, that is stored at index 1. 6 is stored at index 2, similarly 8 at 3, 10 is stored at index 4, 15 at index 5, 18 at index 6, 20 at index 7 and 25 at index 8. So this is the heap given. First you have to identify which type of heap is there. There are two types of heap that you have studied. Either it is a max heap or min heap. So by looking at the given tree, suppose you start with the root. So at root you will find that the root element has value 2 and the left and right childs have value 3 and 6, that is lesser than the root value. So this is the type of min heap property. So you say that this is a min heap. So let's check at all the nodes. Like at node 3, the root is 3 and the childs are 8 and 10, so the min heap property is satisfied. At node 6, the childs are 15 and 18 that are greater than 6, so the min heap property is satisfied. Let's look at node 8. The two childs are 20 and 25, both are greater than the root value, that is 8, so the min heap property is satisfied. So you can see that this is a min heap and you have to apply the heap sort procedure here to find the sorted array. So we did an example yesterday explaining the heap sort procedure. So you can see the study material that is uploaded on the Google Classroom for your kind information to take a look at the example that I have explained you yesterday. So you have to solve this question using heap sort algorithm. So what we have to do in heap sort algorithm, the heap sort start with replacing the root element by the last element. So here the root is 2 and the last element is 25. So the first step is to swap 25 with 2. And after that, you have to see whether min heap property is satisfied or not. And after satisfying all the properties, you have to keep on replacing the root element with the leaf element one by one till all the elements of the node are removed from the tree. And when the last node is remaining, then you have sorted all the array till now and your array will be sorted, and that is the sorted representation in the form of heap sort. So this is the first question that you have to do. Now let's move on to the second question. So in second question, if we implement heap as min heap, deleting the root node, that is value 1 from the heap, what would be the value of root node after the second iteration if leaf node, that is value 100, is chosen to be replaced the root at start? So what is the question? In the question, we have been given that this is a min heap that is given, and in the min heap, you have to delete a root element, and since the root is 1 here, so you have to delete the root element by the last element. So the last element here is 100, so you have to replace root by the last element, and after replacing the element, you have to satisfy all the min heap property, and by maintaining the property, you have to finally draw the final min heap tree. So this is the second question that you have to do. Now let's move on to third question. This is also a simple question, that is application of max heap. In question number 3, if we implement heap as max heap, how would you add a new node of value 15 into the given heap? So this is a given heap and the heap is of type max heap. So since the root has the higher value, you can check at each level. So at each level, all the nodes have the value higher than all the childs. So this is a max heap and you have to insert an element 15 to this max heap. So where this element will go, it will go either to the left side of the heap, since the heap satisfies the property of complete binary tree. So where it will go to the left of node 3. So after placing 15 to the left of node 3, you have to also check the property of max heap at each node till the max heap condition is satisfied at all the nodes. So these are